So when we're doing science, what are we? We're what?
Scientists.
We're scientists.
Asking questions.
You already know I was going to ask. Good job. Scientists discover things by asking questions. So we're going to start with a question today like we do every time we do science. Our question today is, why does a compass act like a magnet? Okay, so that is our question today. And in our experiment, we're going to find out why that is. Now, we've already talked about compasses, right?
Yes.
And what did we learn about compasses from the other day? Asia.
That if you put the north side, it makes it spin around, like it makes it turn around to where the silver side is pointing the magnet. And if you do south, then you can move the red one around. And the little arrow things are like metal, so they attract the magnets.
Okay, so we learned that it's like a magnet, right? So what side did we put to the compass to make it attract to it? Jeremiah?
We put the south side.
Okay, so when the south side was on top of the magnet, what happened?
It followed the magnet.
Followed it around. And what's the word that we use when it pulls together with it? Riley? What's that word we use when the magnets pull together? Attract. Good job. And what's the other one? We put the north side against it. Repelled, right? So, why does a compass work in the world? What is the earth like? We talked about the other day. Julian, what's the earth like?
A magnet.
A giant magnet, right? Because on the top of the earth is the north part of the magnet, on the bottom is the south side of the magnet. So when we're using a compass, since our compass is like a magnet, it's going to attract to the north, and it's going to tell us which way to go. Why is the earth like a magnet? If you can remember, we talked about that. Matthew. What's inside of the earth that makes it? Let's see. Who else? Alyssa.
When the world's a magnet, like if you have a compass, when you're like walking, it'll tell you which way to go.
So yeah, we know the earth is like a magnet, but why? Kayla.
Because
Okay, let me give you a hint. On the inside of the earth is made up of something. Okay, it's not made of metal. It is made up of some metal.
it's made up of steel.
Okay, very close. It's made of iron and nickel. Okay, the inside of the earth has a core. Okay, iron and nickel. And the iron and nickel, when the earth spins, that creates that magnetic field that makes the earth a magnet. All right, because remember how we did the practice with our magnets and how those different kinds of things in those bags? We had the paper clips and the coins and the plastic. Do you remember that? And the magnet only attracted to certain types of metal, to iron, nickel, and one other kind. It's called cobalt. Okay, but we're not talking about that today. Now, we are going to start by making our magnets. I'm going to show you how to do it first. Yeah.
What is nickel? It's not good.
Nickel is a metal, just like iron is a metal.
Is nickel like a nickel?
Yeah, well, nickels actually used to have nickel on the inside, but they don't anymore. Remember how we had all the coins and we tried to put the magnet on them and they didn't really attract to it?
Only the German.
The German coins did because the German coins were made of nickel on the inside. Okay, Frankie, sit down.
Then why did they stop taking out
Okay.
nickel?
I don't know. Probably because it was cheaper.
Or maybe it was coming out of people's pockets.
Okay, but we're not talking about that right now, are we? We're talking about magnets. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do it underneath the camera first.
What's that?
So the first thing that you're going to use, you're going to get a bowl, and we're going to fill it with water. Okay. Now I'm going to fill them with water, not you guys.
Aww.
Now, the reason that we're filling it with water is because our magnet has to be able to float on something.
Whoa.
Okay, so that's the first thing that you have.
It looks empty. Yeah.
What'd you put in it? You can see it. Okay.
Packing peanuts.
Packing peanuts, okay? You need a paper clip and a magnet. Now you're
Are we making possible for if the magnet's so heavy, how is it going to float on the water?
you'll see.
Oh, I know how. Miss Taylor. Miss Taylor.
Uh-huh.
You never said that we were going to have milk and then you said we were going to have water.
Very funny. It's water, trust me. Okay.
I think I've done this before.
Now remember the first day we played with magnets?
Yeah.
What did we do to make the paper clip into a magnet? Okay, sit down. Down. We rubbed it. Now remember how we had some problems with it?
Yeah.
And how they wouldn't really turn into magnets? I found out that you have to rub it like 60 times first. So you're going to take your paper clip, and I'm going to show you underneath here. See it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, you're going to bend it on one side so it sticks up like that. Okay? See that?
Yeah.
How it's bent on the one side? That's what you're going to do. Just like that. So it's going to look like this. Okay? You're going to take your magnet on the south side and you're going to start rubbing it. Now, these magnets aren't that strong, so it might not work still. So I have other magnets too. So if it doesn't work, we'll use these also, a little bit stronger.
My magnets?
So, what you're going to do, your magnets are strong too. So you're going to take it on the top part, and you're going to rub it. We're going to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? Then flip it over to the other side and do 30 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So it's 60 altogether, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this should be a magnet. You magnetize it. So you're going to take your peanut and you're going to stab it into it.
Keep murdering it.
So it's going to look like this, guys. Is this alive?
Yeah.
So we can't really kill it, can we? All right. It's going to look like that.
Wow. I can't see. I can't see.
All right. So it's a magnet now. So we take our bowl of water. It's not milk.
How do we know?
And you're going to put it in here.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, I can see. It's like thumb curls on water.
And, hey guys, Tasia had a really good question. Tasia said, how are we going to know that it worked, right? That's why I have a compass. So we can check to make sure it actually is the compass. So we're going to take it and line it up. Is it pointing the same way?
No. Yes.
Can you guys all see it?
No, I can't. It moved a little. No, a movie.
Hold on.
It does work.
All right, see how it's pointing?
Yeah.
Now let's put this here. Is it pointing the same way just about?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just about. It's not going to be perfect. But see, look here. See how it's pointing this way like that?
Try turning
Which way is it pointing north? Like that.
Can you turn the
Okay.
ball?
Which means that north is that way, and our compass that we made is telling us north is that way. So, now, you're each going to make your own compass. So remember,
Well, move the magnet.
you're going to use this one to make it into a magnet. Try it out. Now remember what I said earlier, Julian? I was looking for the quietest. Sit down. And down. Good question. What's your question?
It also works with the